Hello there, I'm Patrick Carey of New Scotch Spirits. Today we'll be taking a little walk in the woods. And as we do some walking in the woods, I always recommend bring a little bit of New Scotch Spirits. Today I have some of our single malt. I actually have the newest samples from our aging barrels, and we'll be tasting a little bit of the samples and see how it goes. So, welcome to That's Smoky. And let's hope the only thing smoky around here is the whiskey. So we've come to a clearing in the woods, and it's time to have a drink and celebrate this beautiful view. Today, I have our single malt whiskey. It's about 2.5 years old now, and it'll continue to age until about 4 years when we sell it. So let's take a sip and see how it's aging. That is a bit smoky. And I'm also picking up on some notes of maybe a little vanilla, butterscotch, even a little bit of earth, dirt, some people might say, if that's your thing. So, cheers to New Scotch Spirits, and continue following us on this journey and our walk through the woods. So we've come to the end of the So we've come to a very nice clearing on this long walk through the woods. And what better yet